Today we're going to talk about verb object. So what is verb object? It literally just verb and object. Let me give you an example. For example, to drive in English is to drive, right? But in Mandarin is 开车. 开车, it literally means drive car. So drive car is a verb object. It's a verb object verb. 开 means to drive. 车 means cars. So 开车 to drive. Another example. 看书 to read book means to read. A verb object verb. 看书. Another example. 教书 literally means to teach book. 教 means to teach. 书 is book. 教书 is to teach book, literally, but it actually means to teach. For example, 我教书 I teach. And you can switch 书教中文 teach Mandarin. 教中文 teach Mandarin. So 我教中文 I teach Mandarin. So in this case, you don't have to say 教书中文. We don't say that. Just 教 teach and 中文 is the specific subject. Unless you don't have a specific subject, you want to say to teach in general, and then you say 教书. Another example, 看电视 watch TV. 看 is to watch. 电视 is TV. So it's a verb object verb. 看电视 watch TV. Same. 看电影 watch movies. So 看 is to watch. 电影 is movies. So watch movies. 看电影 a verb object verb. Let me give you some very weird example of verb object verb in Mandarin. For example, 跳舞 to dance, right? It doesn't sound like a verb object verb because you cannot really separate to a verb and the object. But in Mandarin we can. It is dance a dance. 跳 literally means to dance or to jump. And 舞 is a noun. It means a dance. So to dance a dance means to dance. So we literally give you a verb object for dance. Dance a dance. Okay. 跳舞跳舞. Okay, let's try another example. 画画. Okay, as you can see that these two words are exactly the same pronunciation and the same signs, characters in Mandarin. But 画画 means to paint, to draw. So how is that a verb object? Because it's paint a painting. 画 is the verb, to paint. And the other 画 is a noun, the painting. So to paint a painting means to paint, and we make it a verb object. This is so weird, but the verb object idea is super duper important in Mandarin Chinese. You must know that the verb you learn is a verb object verb or it's just a verb. What does that mean? For example, 工作. 工作 means to work. It is a verb. It is not a verb object verb. It is just a verb. 工作. So 我今天工作. Today I work. You cannot separate this verb because this is one verb, right? So you cannot separate it. But verb object verb, yes, you can separate it. For example, 唱歌. 唱歌 is to sing. It is a verb object verb. 唱 is to sing and 歌 is song. So sing, song means to sing. So how do I separate the verb object verb? For example, 我唱中文歌 I sing Chinese song. So this is how we separate the verb object in a very simple way. 我唱中文歌. Okay, so now in this video, I gave you a lot of verb object verb. Please do remember those verb object verb. In the next video lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use these special and separable verb object verb. Okay, until then, I will see you next time. 谢谢你们，再见。